What are you doing, Jodi? What are you doing? Going to get your nails cut? He's so stupid.
Who's a good girl? Huh? Jodi. I know.
Only act that way with your buddy.
She stinks.
What does she smell like? I'm taping you.
I know. But she smells like something. She smells like something.
She smells like bird.
Hmm.
David. David. I love you, David. I love you. I love you. Oh, we should play love songs on the way to the place to get our nails cut. Just for you two.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Yeah.
Aww.
Enough. Don't hate. Come on. You see what she does with the keys?
She just headbanged you.
Yeah, no. She's gonna do it again. Okay, come on. You have to start the truck. Easy.
Okay, here we go. Pick up our crate.
Come on. Can I see your wings?
No, that's me.
You see what she does?
Yeah.
She like rubs her feet on me. I know.